Hey guys, welcome back to the never-ending bullshit. This is my channel. Okay, so I went and ordered it, and they canceled it on me 2 days later. The reason for that is they don't update their website, and if they have something that's not in stock, and they go to check if it's in stock, if it's not in stock, they'll just basically cancel it, and they're basically telling me I have to wait 7 days before I even get my money back, which is after Christmas. So if this actually was a legitimate Christmas present through Walmart, which I don't recommend you shop through them on Christmas because these guys are assholes, don't do it. One thing they did do is, my wife was a little freaked out because she said it was a Christmas present and everything else. They put her on hold, and then they put her on this automated answering machine that says do not call 911, and it was in Chinese and everything else. I'm like, it was weird. So that's pretty much what they do if you're even slightly rude with customer service. Yeah. So this is the last time I'll shop there. It's the last time I'll even walk into their shitty store. If I'm lucky, maybe they'll be forced out of Ontario. That would be nice. Fuck you, Walmart. But yeah, so I'm not going to shop there anymore. I've already got another one in order, or another one ready to be ordered. Instead of $240, it's $260 total. So I'm paying a little bit more, but I know I'm going to receive it. So, and it's not through Walmart. Anyway, I'll take you downstairs and show you some of the work I've done on the bikes as far. The noise, it's the maid's day off. Anyway, so the hose clamps, the adjustable ones, actually worked out. What I'll do is I'll tape it all off and give them a spritz with some spray paint, the same color as the frame. They'll look pretty good. Or I'll just take it apart and spray them and then put them back together. I just installed this. I grinded this down so it just fits in the frame tight. And then I glued it with shoe glue here and here. This won't move. This will be the mounting point for that. Be nice and neat. And then obviously all the phase wires are going to it with the legitimate connectors. To keep the controller from flopping around, I added an extra sway bar on the bottom there, and it's glued to the frame. It's not going to move, and it's solid. It's not going to move. So that's actually a nice setup. I like that because it's heavy to start with. So this way, when I got the batteries in the back, I'm sort of balancing out the weight, and it's going to be pretty boss like that too. The face wires on it. It's going to look cool. So yeah, this is about as far as I got today anyway. Oh, I also put on the new bullet connectors. Not bad. Solid. Took a lot of solder to get them soldered up. But as you can see, the connector is down here and not up here where it's going to be interfering when the shocks are moving. I've already tested it. It's exactly what I wanted. None of this is moving at all. Same thing on the other side. It's basically what it's going to look like with the wires bowing out. It's alright. That's how far I have got. Like, I still got the back end to do, paint and everything else. And a lot of wiring. Oof. Anyway, so like I said, the Beach Cruiser project is on hold until after Christmas, obviously, because the money is on hold through Walmart. Assholes. And we'll go from there. Later, guys.